What we are gonna draw today is a screw and a bolt, but before that you need to make all your settings by changing the precision to 0.0 and then the inches to millimeters. So the first command you will use is polygon. You type polygon and then you specify the number of sides. I will choose 6. You can also choose the number of sides that you want, so I will choose 6. And then the center will be somewhere here, then it should be inscribed. And then the radius I'm using here is 50, and I enter. This is what we have. When you enter it, it will be very big, so you need to reduce the sheet to the size that you want. Then this is what we are having. Then you also, the next command you have to put inside is circle. So you type circle, then you stand at the center here, then the outer one is supposed to be at this side, and then another circle again, but that one is supposed to be inside with a value of, this diagram is drawn to scale with a value of 30. So this is what we are having. And then you create a line from one point to the other. Right after this, you highlight the whole thing and then make a duplicate of this diagram here. So you copy and then paste it right beside it. Okay, then you go to orbit and you place it down. After placing it down, that's when you start working on it. You start with this first one here. You are drawing the bolt first. That one too, you put in a distance. The height distance should be 50. You can also choose any value that you want. Convert it first. The next command that you have to put in is fillet. You type fillet. Then the first object that you fillet is the down one. You can also choose from the top here, but I will start from the down here. Then the fillet radius I will put in 7. Then I enter, and I also enter again. As you all can see at the downside. Now the same command I also enter again, and then come to the top here, and then the same radius, which is 7, enter and then enter again. This is what we are having. Okay, so the next command is intersect. Intersect. So with the intersection, you have to select the whole object again before you can be able to intersect it. So as you all see, I've selected it, so you enter. This is what we are having. The next on the line is subtract. You have to subtract the inner circle from it, so you command it by typing subtract. Then you select the whole object first and enter, and then the next object is the middle one that you want to subtract from. Then you enter again. This is what we are having here. Okay, now the next command again is helix. We are moving to helix, so you type again helix into the sheet and you enter. Now the center point should be the center of the line that we constructed in it. So you will be at the center of the line and then you pin it. Then the radius is supposed to be the same as the circle, the inner circle, the radius of the circle, which is 30. So you input in 30. Then the same 30 again to be the top radius. Then you move to this side, you select tens, TURNS, tens, and then I will put in the number of tens. I'll put in 20. That will be mine. You can also choose the number that you want. You enter. Now the height is supposed to be the height of the item that you extruded. The value we placed in was 50, so the height is supposed to be 50, as you all can see here. As you all can see, this is what we are having. So right at each side, you create a circle with a radius of 1. It's a radius of 1. Highlight it and then type sweep. The item or the object that we are going to sweep is the helix, so you select the helix here, and then the sweep will work on it. So you can see this. This is what I'm talking about. But we are not yet done. We need to subtract the helix from it, the swept helix from it. So the command next is subtract. You select the whole object first. The next object is helix. The next object that you select is helix. Then you enter to subtract this. As you all can see, this is what we are having here. What we are having here. Now we are done with the bolt. So where we are moving to next is the screw. We are in the process of creating the screw. So the same procedure that we used to create the bolt, that's the same thing we will do to the other circle right beside the screw and right beside the bolt. So you highlight that one too. But this time around, the inner circle will be long. I think that will be a distance of 70 or so. Yeah. So first of all, you extrude the inner circle to a distance of 70. Okay, this is not okay. You highlight it and extrude it to a distance of 100. I think it's too short, so we need to increase the distance a little, the height of the inner circle. I think 200 will be okay. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. So 200. Before you come to this side to extrude that one to the same height of the bolt, that one will be 50. Yes. Then you move on with the next command, which is fillet, like how you did with the bolt. The same here too. So the first object you select is the down here, do the same radius, which is 7, then enter again, and then with the same command you move to the top one here, the same radius, which is 7, and you enter. This is what we are having. Now the next command on the line is intersect. So with the intersection, you select the whole down one. You select the whole down object and then you enter. So this is what we are having here too. But with the extruded one, the long extruded one, we need to create another helix on it too, to be able to fix inside the bolt. So with that one, to the next command is helix. helix, helix. So the center of this helix base, the center of the base will be this side. Now with the same radius, the radius is 30. We input in 30. Then the top radius too is 30. Now to the down here, it's supposed to be 200. Helix side, so you come here, number of turns, which is 20. Then the height is 200. So you all can see this is what we are having here. We are not done yet. It's like what you did to the boat, the same thing you have to do here too. So you create another circle right beside it. It's a distance of 0.5, and then you sweep to the helix here. You sweep it to the helix here. So this is what we are having, as you all can see. This is what we are having. Now we need to join this whole thing. You see, when I select this one, it doesn't join with this, but we need to join the whole thing together. So you highlight them together, and then, or you type union, then you select the whole object, the whole of this. Select the whole of them, and then you enter. You see, if I select it, it selects everything together. Now we want to make it look real a little. We want to convert it to steel. So what you have to do is type mat, M-A-T, mat. And then in the mat, what you have to search for is steel cast. You have to search for steel cut. So you go to the S column and search for steel cut. So with the steel cut, you apply it on these objects. The steel cast is what we want. So you drag it and then apply it on the object you are having here. As you all can see, the color has changed. And then the next one too. Let's still cast to this one here. As you all can see, this is what we are having here. We are not done yet. We need to subtract this helix from the diagram. First of all, subtract, you type subtract, and then you select the whole object. You need to disassemble them first before you subtract the helix from it. This is what we are having. After that, then you redo again with the same union command. You join them together. Okay, I think we are done here. We are done. This is what we are having, the screw and the bolt. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and make up your mind to learn a lot from me. If you don't understand anything, you can comment in the comment section and I'll reply you. God bless you for watching. May we all be great.